I went in search of the crown jewel of the Honda range, and I found it, the HRV. I'm going to give you 5 facts that you need to know about this car. Number 1, I think it is the most beautiful SUV among the Honda range. It has a stunning exterior, peppered with a sporty dynamism. Number 2, it has a powerful 1.8-litre engine, giving you that overtaking confidence on the open road. Number 3, it has a mood-settling, driver-focused interior and is designed to reach you on both an emotional and mental level. Number 4, it comes with Honda's famous magic seats for more practicality and space. And number 5, the ace up its sleeve, advanced compatibility technology and underskinned engineering that in the event of an accident, the body panels actually distribute the force of the impact away from the vehicle occupants. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.